Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mask on CapCut PC. So I will show you a few different ways to do that. I'm just gonna use this image. So go to mask and select any shape you want. You can do this and you can feather it out if you'd like to create a smooth effect. You can even reverse it to create a border and place something else underneath, like this. You can even mask something twice. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and then select the heart shape again. And then you're going to reverse it to create a frame if you like to. And feather that out, and you can place something underneath. You can also mask a text again using the compound clip. Maybe like this O. Right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to mask, select the shape you want, reverse it. And voila. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.